Okay guys, we're back. 400 is back in action. It's finally fully rebuilt. And then we got Isaac's dad's quad racer. That thing's fun. So the 400 is finally rebuilt. Looks a lot better than it did. Got the black paint on the headers. They were all that real brown, gross color from all the heat and dirt. Got the HMF on it. Sounds much better than it did. That had like no packing left in the muffler. Got the aluminum air box on there. Don't mind the zip ties, just holds the battery in. I would definitely not have bought that air box if it did not come with the 4-wheeler. Those things are way too expensive. Got a brand new uni air filter in there. Full top end rebuild. The bottom end has a new crank, but well, new to me crank and new rod. It's bored 20 over. It's got a Numera piston. It's a hot rod. I don't know what specs on it. And it's got a stage 2 hot cam. It runs pretty good. Got the Tusk Nerf bars. Those are the best things ever. I should know that from experience. I wrecked it last year and cut my leg wide open. That was not fun. My mom almost had a heart attack. She freaked out. Yeah, I'm really excited that it's back. Got all the stickers, you know, those add horsepower.
Yes, sir. 10 horsepower stickers.
Yep.
Get some clips of it in a minute.
Yeah. Hopefully get some wheelies, drifts, all of the fun stuff. I do want to get some taller bars. These ones are really low. They're actually off an old KTM dirt bike that my friend had. And then probably some ODI lock-on grips like Isaac's dad has. They're like the best grips I've had. These pillow grips are pretty good, but I think I like the ODIs a bit better. Oh yeah, I got this Factory Effects seat cover. It's really nice. Well, I think that's about all we've done to it. A lot of work to rebuild that whole motor. I could not have done it if Jimmy did not help me though. Jimmy's a lifesaver. Yeah, these are some of the best tires I've ever had. Not just because they're Maxxis brand, but the Razor style pattern is it's what me and Isaac both have on our quads, and they seem to hook really good.
Yeah, pretty great.
Oh yeah, we got all new swing arm bearings. These were shot. Those helped a lot. The handle's so much better now.
Yeah.
Well, that's about it for the rebuild. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it's very torquey. We just got done with heat cycles today, so haven't ridden it much, but it's fun. And we just got this thing sitting over here. Well, we'll get back to you when we got some clips. So we got the 400 fired